Hi everyone, this is Alan. Alan is a geologist. A geologist is a type of scientist. Geologists learn about the earth by studying rocks. When Alan was a kid, he loved to dig in his backyard. He would find lots of different looking rocks and collect them. Now as an adult, Alan is still learning about rocks. Rocks give us a lot of information about what life was like a long time ago. Rocks can tell us what the weather was like millions of years ago. When it rains or snows, the color, shape, and size of rocks change over time. Rocks can also tell us if a natural disaster occurred, like a tornado. When a natural disaster happens, the color, shape, and size of rocks also change. Today, Alan is working in Royce Desert. Alan is going to look at the rocks to learn about what the desert was like a long time ago. He also wants to know if there were any natural disasters and what the weather was like. The first rock Alan finds was buried 1,000,000 years ago. There are a lot of cracks in it. Something must have happened years ago to break these rocks. Alan realizes that a tornado happened in Royce. The second rock Alan finds was buried 2,000,000 years ago. It's covered in white lines. Alan realizes the lines are marks from ice. 2,000,000 years ago, Royce was not a desert. It was covered in snow and ice. The third rock Alan finds was buried 3,000,000 years ago. This rock has a lot of lines in it. They're shaped like waves. This rock used to be underwater. 3,000,000 years ago, Royce was not a desert. It was actually a giant lake. Alan writes down what he learned about Royce. While Royce is a desert today, it was not always like that. 1,000,000 years ago, it had a tornado, and 2,000,000 years ago, Royce was covered in ice. And then 3,000,000 years ago, Royce was a giant lake. Now it's your turn to think like a geologist and learn about rocks. Let's go on an adventure.